Hello, my name is Fred Lover. I'm with CyberTex. I'm an instructor of the IT and also cybersecurity. So what I wanted to share with you is a few books that every IT person should have in their reference library, and also every certification you should be attempting at this point in your early career. Let's talk about Linux Plus. Linux Plus runs the network. Linux is everything from Android to Macs to the web. So this is one thing that you want to really take a good look at and make sure that you understand Linux, because you will be exposed to it in your career. Let's look at A+. Okay? A+ is about hardware and software. And more importantly, once you have the foundation of A+, you can attack any type of troubleshooting. Then we have security, cybersecurity. Let's talk about how we protect things, make things work correctly, and make sure we're safe. Make sure we're protecting ourselves against those blackouts out there. And then, last but not least, the world runs on networks. You guys know it, we know it, and we need to understand networks not only from the technology point of view, but how we can make these networks more efficient, because the world is everything and the internet. And because it is everything in the internet, as an IT professional, you have to be good at networking. Thank you so much for listening to me about the books I like to enjoy reading, and I hope you like them too. Thank you so much, and see you here at CyberTex.